To register a team in an OVA tournament, locate the tournament you're interested in, select it, confirm the location and the date, and click Register a Team. Here, select your age group, and select your players using their email addresses. Remember that the email address is the unique identifier for each player. So if you're a parent registering a child, make sure that you're using that child's email address, as this is what identifies them as a member of OVA. If you enter the email address of a player who does not have a profile in MyTeam.Click, you may be asked to enter their first name, last name, and date of birth. Before creating a new profile, make sure that you have the correct email address. Once you've entered both players, click Save. The system will check the membership status of both players. If any of them are missing the correct status, you can simply click on the link and head on to the OVA page where you can log in and add the status to this player. Once you've updated the membership status of both players, simply come back to this page and refresh it. You'll now be able to complete the registration payment. Once you've completed the payment, the team will now be registered. You can now return to the page and consult the list of registered teams. If you need to modify this team, simply click on Modify My Team.